Automate store performance dashboard with n8n and Airtable. No-code AI automation workflow tutorial. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll discover how to automate your store performance dashboard using n8n, the ultimate no-code AI automation platform. This full workflow shows you how to connect Airtable with n8n to calculate your daily sales metrics, profit totals, and conversion rates automatically. With AI automation and no-code tools, you can stop wasting hours on manual updates and reporting. Here's what you'll learn in this video: how to create a daily automation trigger in n8n, how to integrate Airtable with n8n, how to calculate store KPIs with built-in no-code nodes, how to automatically update your business dashboard, and how to send automated daily email reports with n8n. This workflow is perfect for e-commerce owners, marketing analysts, or anyone building data dashboard with AI automation. The first node, it's a cron trigger. This node tells n8n when to start your automation. Here, we'll run it every morning at 8 a.m. as you can see here. This is the power of AI automation. Your business's report updates automatically while you sleep. Next node, connect to Airtable. Add an Airtable node and connect your base call store performance. n8n no code integration pulls all your store data, the sales, the profit, and conversion rate. This is where data automation begins. No copy paste, no spreadsheets, just smart AI driven sync. Now let's aggregate the key metrics. Add an aggregate node to automatically sum and average your KPIs. With no code AI automation, you can calculate total sales, total profit, and average conversion rate, all visually. This replaces hours of manual reporting with a single automated workflow inside n8n. Next node, prepare the dashboard summary. Now add a set node to format your summary text. This node creates a clear report that includes total sales, total profit, and conversion rate, perfectly formatted for email or dashboard. It's all handled by n8n's no-code engine, part of your everyday AI automation system. Let's open the set node. You have here total sale, JSON total sale, total profit, JSON total profit, average conversion rate, JSON average conversion rate, and the summary text that is this. Store performance summary, total sale, total profit, average conversion rate, automated with n8n. After that, you have the update Airtable dashboard. Connect another Airtable node and choose the dashboard table. The workflow writes the calculated values back into Airtable, keeping your business dashboard always up to date. That's the real benefit of no-code AI automation: fast, reliable data without human error. And the last node, we will use the email send node to deliver your report. You'll receive a daily email showing your updated business metrics automatically. This entire system runs hands-free with AI automation powered by n8n. Let's open it. You have from email your email Gmail to your email gmail.com, and the subject daily store data dashboard automated by n8n, and the text is JSON summary text. The summary text you saw. You take it from the set node. You just built it, as you can see. You just build a full store performance dashboard automation using n8n. No coding, no maintenance, just pure AI automation and no code power. If you want more n8n tutorials on businesses automation, make sure to subscribe because I post AI automation and no code videos every day. Bye bye.